Today's lesson is G major. Now there's a couple ways to play this. Let's start with our third finger on the third fret of the low E string, your second finger on the second fret of the A string or the fifth string, and then your fourth finger on the third fret of the first string. Now in order to reach this down here, you need to bring your thumb up, all right, and bring your hand, pull your hand back, all right, not reaching around like this, but pulling your hand back and keeping this finger bent like so, not straight, but bent. And you should have something like this. All right, so one string at a time for clarity. All right, I'll bring this in for a closer look, then I'll show you one more fingering. So you got your third finger, your second finger, your fourth finger down here, all right, your thumb hanging out on top here, all right. Another fingering you can use, if that's too hard for you, is your middle finger, your second finger, on the third fret of the low E string, or the sixth string, your first finger on the second fret of the fifth string, and then either your third or fourth finger on the third fret of the first string. Same chord, keep your thumb up here. Just different fingers, right? Or this, with this one here. All right. Second, first, fourth, or third. I prefer the other way because a lot of times you switch from G to C. So if you're playing G like this, in order to switch to C, you just drop these two fingers, your second and third finger, down one string, add your first finger, and then you're on C. All right, back to G. It's a little easier to change like that as opposed to this to this. But do what works best for you. All right, thank you. If you find these videos helpful and informative, you can show your appreciation by leaving a comment in the comment section or giving me an upvote. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and any requests, leave them in the comments. Thanks.